Hello beautiful people. Today I'm going to show step by step how to download and install Home Assistant on macOS Big Sur using VirtualBox. Let's get started. First open Safari or any favorite browser and search for VirtualBox and click the link. I will put all websites links in video description, so you don't need to worry. And follow as it's shown in the video. Download macOS version of VirtualBox. As I already downloaded and install, I'm going to skip this part. Now go back to the browser and search Home Assistant. Click the first link and go to Documentation section and click Installation. Scroll all the way down until you see the macOS version and click it and download virtualbox.vid. I already downloaded and extracted in desktop. Now open VirtualBox and create a new project. Name it as you like. And select OS Linux. And select other Linux version as shown in the video. And give RAM according to your PC. I have 8 GB RAM, so I'm giving 2 GB, which was 2048 megabytes, and go next select Exting Virtual Hard Disk File, and give the file which we extracted earlier. And click Create. Go to Settings page. Under System select Enable EFI. And go to Network. Click NAT and select Bridge Adapter. This will allow to get internet to the VirtualBox. Now start the project. It takes some time to boot for first time. To get large display you need to enable scale mode. Now give root as a password to log in into the Home Assistant server and check it successfully or not. Now to access Assistant web page use the given link below. And you need to create a new profile. This is it. Now you successfully installed Home Assistant on your laptop.